I can see you fine right there.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright. Well, here we are, Be Strong Home. Another exciting bee removal. Slayton about to rescue a hive. I'll start with plan of action is to actually open the entire, they're remodeling, so we'll be able to play with this one and open up both sides. So this is my pilot home. See what we got going back there. It's a brick structure, so they might have insulation and brick. Which I hate. It's another beam on the other side right here, right at the console. Gold insulation. We got plywood. So now we're gonna expose the whole wall here. Let me see your smoker. So we couldn't smoke up on the outside, we're going to smoke up in here. And that's the reason of the test hole that we're doing. It's a good sign, bees are coming out, so we know we're in the general area where the hive is at. You want to bring that down? Put it by the window before we die of smoke inhalation. Insulation gets old, it sags, just like in this case. Sags down, you get chew. Are you filming me or no? You're back on the other side. Here. Huh?
Yeah, you're good. Don't worry, your beautiful face comes out.
I'm clean shaven today. So.
Qué guapo.
A little bit for that, a little for me. I hear the humming going. That's because should have been wearing safety glasses. So the difference between this and this, let me see it. Okay, camera. We're trying out our new HD camera and you can't see shit, Jimmy. It's all dark. Where's the flash in this crap? Here, we'll have to turn on the lights. You can't see anything. I don't know why you say you can see it. It's all dark. You see that flashlight I have in my bucket? I'm saying? This wall's a mess. See the insulation all eaten out and all jacked up, chewed? There's rat faces in there. Here. There's no light on this thing. That video's gonna be with forever. Put that by the window. Get on the ladder so it doesn't wobble. And just stand there. There's your comb right there. See it? Can you see it on the screen or not?
No, you can't see it on the
Okay.
screen.
I'm gonna ask you a question, please answer me. It's a yes or no?
Keep me guessing.
There's a comb right there. Hold the light so you can see with the light. You see that camera? Over there, look at that. Stand up here. Let me see the smoker. I wish I had more. Here. And I told you to grab that flash, man. You can't see anything on that video. Shit. Oh, this way, okay? There's a smoker. Why didn't you put it by the window? Here, get you. Stand like back there and you can see the light. You're not going to expose it. I hate grabbing insulation with my hands, so we'll go down to that. Honey, straight from your wall. Some guy commented on one of my videos, too much smoke. Get the fuck out of here.
I'm sorry, I didn't realize we needed.
What are you pointing the flashlight at?
I'm pointing it at the wall, but you can see, man. Don't worry.
You can't see.
You can see.
I know you can see.
Okay, I'll bet you $100 that you can see the freaking comb perfectly right here, right now.
You zoomed in on it? You got zoomed in on that video camera, and you can't see shit.
That's because
I don't know who wants to see dark comb in
you
it.
can see it, man. Look, stand right under where.
Difference, right there. Zoom in. You're just being a little bitch and you want the beast flying at you, tell me that.
I just didn't want to blind you, but okay, fine.
I'm not staring at you. I'm gonna have to fix my ladder up. That's what it was. You didn't want the beast flying at you.
When you see the video, you're gonna say, "Sorry, dude, you were right. You could
And
see."
if not, what?
Plus, if not, you don't say anything, and I get slapped in the face.
Disciplina.
Huh?
Disciplina?
Disciplina, talacha, como ayer.
Green light.
It's on recording, folks.
Sounds like a green light to me. Honey, straight from your wall. Is this smoker?
I need to grow out another hand.
Well,
I need to grow out another hand.
or you can come up here and I can hand you shit. I handle the easy part of the job.
I wasn't being. Oh, never mind.
You're being useful.
I was just genuinely saying I need another hand.
No, you're talking shit, being sarcastic.
No, be.
No.
No.
Of course not.
Of course not.
I do my height tool. Sorry. Let me see that camera up here so folks can see what I got going on. I think the hive's gonna come out this way. Are you zooming in?
Yeah.
Get behind me and see, shine the light up there. Like on this side. Shine the light straight up, top, right at the comb. It's a nice comb, honey, but I don't trust it. I know some people that would sell that.
Dáselo a los chaparritos del valle.
Right there, straight from your wall. Take pride in it, we harvest it ourselves. Don't mind the chew if it's a little crunchy. Cause you, man, the Randy Rogers concert. And then I remember I'm a beekeeper. And I have my wife. Full-time beekeeper. Oh, there's the brood right there, homeboy. Alright, here's what we got going on in here. I knew it. I knew it. I always have to be ready. And that's why I'm the leading expert in killer bees in the region. Fucking bad. What did I tell y'all it was gonna be? Like always, my battery is never charged. Son of a bitch. You want to see that battery from that flashlight?